Picture a world before electricity, where healing began in a small German pharmacy. In 1668, Friedrich Jacob Merck bought the Angel Pharmacy in Darmstadt, planting the seed for a legacy that would span centuries. This wasn't just a shop. It was a place where curiosity met compassion, and science began to serve humanity. Over 350 years, that seed grew into Merck & Company, a global leader in medicine. The Merck family's drive wasn't just to sell remedies, but to understand the very nature of disease and healing. Their relentless pursuit of knowledge became the company's guiding star. Through revolutions, wars, and scientific upheaval, Merck's mission endured to put patients first. This is more than corporate history. It's the story of humanity's fight against invisible threats, from viruses to cancer. Merck's journey mirrors the scientific method: ask, experiment, learn, and improve lives. From isolating pure morphine to creating life-saving vaccines, Merck's innovations have reshaped health and longevity. The company's foundation is built on values that outlast profit: curiosity, compassion, and a commitment to bettering the world. Each breakthrough is a testament to the power of science in service of people. Merck's story is woven into the fabric of medical progress, from the first smallpox vaccine to the mapping of the human genome. It's a journey from a humble apothecary to the frontiers of medical science. The lesson is simple: putting patients first can change the world. Join us as we explore how one pharmacy's legacy echoes through the cosmos of time. The 19th century was a time of transformation, and Merck was ready for a new chapter. In 1887, George Merck brought his family's legacy to New York, carrying scientific rigor and entrepreneurial spirit. Merck & Company was born in America, initially as a branch of its German parent. World War I changed everything. By 1917, Merck & Company became independent, forced to forge its own identity. This separation was a turning point, pushing the company to build its own research and define its mission. No longer just merchants, Merck became architects of medicine, investing in research and development. The company's leaders knew true progress came from invention, not just import. They built state-of-the-art labs and cultivated a culture of scientific inquiry and risk-taking. Merck synthesized vitamins, developed sulfa drugs, and produced penicillin for the war effort. Each success reinforced their mission improving human lives. The legacy that began in a small German pharmacy was reborn in America, ambitious and independent. Merck was now poised to tackle the greatest health challenges of the new century. This era set the stage for breakthroughs that would echo worldwide. The company's transformation from commerce to creation defined its future. Merck's American journey is a story of resilience, reinvention, and relentless pursuit of better health. The stage was set for global impact. Before you can fight disease, you must understand it. In 1899, Merck published the Merck Manual, a compact, comprehensive guide for doctors and pharmacists. This wasn't about profit, it was about empowering the medical community with reliable knowledge. The manual democratized medical information, connecting rural doctors to the latest science. In 1997, Merck launched a home edition, translating complex terms for everyday people. This shift empowered patients to take charge of their health. Today, the manuals are digital and free, continuing Merck's legacy of education. Sometimes, the greatest innovation is sharing knowledge, not just inventing new drugs. Merck's commitment to information has built the foundation of modern medical practice. For centuries, viral plagues devastated humanity. The vaccine era changed everything, and Merck was at its heart. Dr. Maurice Hilleman led Merck's vaccine program, developing over 40 vaccines, including those for measles and mumps. His work transformed childhood from perilous to safe, saving millions of lives. The impact is measured in lives saved and suffering prevented. Merck's investment in vaccine science built a shield of immunity for billions. Prevention became the guiding principle. It's better to stop disease before it starts. The world where polio and measles are rare is no accident. It's the result of relentless scientific effort. Each vial represents hope, health, and a future free from fear. Merck's vaccine legacy is a gift to generations. The fight against infectious disease is ongoing, but the progress is undeniable. Science, determination, and compassion made this possible. The world is safer because of these breakthroughs. Cancer, once a death sentence, is now being challenged by science. Merck turned its research power to cancer, aiming not just to treat, but to transform the fight. Immunotherapy, like Merck's Keytruda, unleashes the immune system to target cancer cells. This breakthrough has changed outcomes for patients with advanced cancers. Developing such treatments is a marathon, requiring global collaboration and perseverance. Each patient's success fuels the drive for more innovation. Merck partners with doctors worldwide to ensure these medicines reach those who need them most. The fight against cancer is ongoing, marked by incremental victories and hard-won knowledge. Merck's commitment to oncology pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Science is giving patients more tomorrows. The cancer crusade continues, driven by hope and relentless research. A company's legacy is defined by its actions in times of crisis. Merck's Mectizin donation program is a landmark in corporate responsibility, donating medicine to eliminate river blindness. This act of compassion has prevented blindness in millions, transcending profit. Merck's path hasn't been without challenges like the Vioxx withdrawal, which led to greater transparency and safety. Trust is fragile and must be earned daily through accountability. Merck partners with governments, NGOs, and academia to tackle global health issues. Collaboration amplifies impact. No single company can solve health crises alone. These partnerships distribute vaccines, accelerate research, and reach underserved communities. Responsibility means using resources for the good of all humanity. Merck's legacy is built on compassion, transparency, and global collaboration. The promise to humanity is fulfilled through action, not just innovation. We now live in a digital universe, and Merck has adapted to thrive. The company uses technology to empower patients, share reliable information, and accelerate research. Artificial intelligence and digital health tools are transforming drug discovery and patient care. Merck's digital engagement builds trust and combats misinformation. The principle of the Merck Manual lives on, empowering people through knowledge. In a world of information overload, a clear, science-based voice is vital. Merck's digital presence fosters community and better health outcomes. The journey from pharmacy to digital innovator shows that purpose drives progress. When people come first, success follows. The future of health is built on trust, technology, and a timeless commitment to patients.